How to solve 9 to the power x is equal to 54. What is the value of x? First of all, 9 to the power x is equal to 6 times 9. Then log 9 to the power x is equal to log of 6 times 9. Then x come to the base, so x log 9 is equal to log 6 plus log 9. Then both sides are divided by log 9. Also divided by log 9. Log 9 will be cancelled. So x is equal to log 6 divided by log 9 plus log 9 over log 9. Log 9 will be cancelled. So x is equal to log 6 divided by log 9 plus 1. Then x is equal to log 6 and base of 9 plus 1. This is the value of x. We got it.